Right now, there are over 200 fishing kayaks listed on Amazon alone. And most USA anglers who pick the wrong one either sell it within a year at a loss or force themselves to fish from a boat that costs them energy, comfort, and fish every single trip. The difference between a kayak that works for you and one that drains your wallet? 3 things: real-world stability, the right propulsion system, and a design that actually matches your water type and fishing style. I pulled verified test results from Field & Stream, Outdoor Life, and Kayak Angler magazine, plus thousands of real buyer reviews, to give you the only 6 fishing kayaks worth your money in 2026. Prices go from $700 all the way to $4,000. Stay till the end. The number 1 pick might completely change how you fish. All product links are in the description. Number 6. Pelican Catch Classic 120. If your budget is under $800 and you want a kayak that won't let you down on the water, the Pelican Catch Classic 120 is where you start. Field & Stream's 2026 Buyer's Guide recognized it as one of the top entry-level picks for USA anglers. And the reasons are straightforward. This is a 12-foot sit-on top with a twin-arched multi-chine hull that delivers solid primary stability on flat and protected water. Testers at WearView.com confirmed it as a stable, comfortable sit-on top that balances fishing-ready features with beginner-friendly design. With 3 flush-mount rod holders, rod tie-downs, a roomy rear tankwell, and anti-slip deck carpet for confident standing. It carries up to 400 pounds and weighs just 49 pounds, light enough to car top solo. A retractable skeg is a genuine advantage at this price for staying on course in mild wind. Limitations are real. The tunnel hull gets pushed around an open water wind, the seat will fatigue you past 4 hours, and there's no pedal or motor upgrade path. At $700, no other kayak gives you 12 feet of fishing platform with this level of hull stability. But this is a controlled water kayak, built for calm lakes, slow rivers, and protected bays. Best for first-time buyers, calm inland water, solo car top transport. Skip if you fish open water, exposed coastlines, or need pedal or motor propulsion. Number 5. Perception Outlaw 11.5. The Perception Outlaw. 11.5 is what happens when a brand actually listens to anglers before building a kayak. Kayak Angler magazine called it styling and accessories found on more expensive boats. And even at its current MSRP of $929, verified buyers across multiple USA platforms consistently back that up. At 11.5 feet with a wide-open deck and a fold-away seat that sits 5 inches above deck height, the Outlaw gives you one of the sharpest fishing vantage points in its price class, changing your casting angle, sight fishing ability, and how fast you shift between sitting and standing. 4 rod holders, 3 solo mount recesses for drill-free accessory mounting, integrated tackle trays, and enough open deck for a 35-liter cooler with the seat stowed. The Ram X Premium polyethylene hull handles drag launching across gravel banks without cracking. Happy Camper Club's 2026 review called it the best balance of stability, features, and quality for any budget-conscious angler. One verified 6'8", 270-pound buyer loaded his with a trolling motor and 2 lithium batteries. 5 stars, saying at this price, you cannot get a better kayak. Weaknesses: 79 pounds, paddle only, not built for high-speed open water runs. Best for mid-budget anglers who want stand-up fishing, premium features, and serious rigging capability under $1,000. Skip if you need speed, open ocean capability, or a pedal or motor drive system. Number 4. Wilderness Systems ATAK 120. The ATK 120 Advanced Tactical Angling Kayak is where recreational fishing ends and serious angling machines begin. The 2026 model is confirmed active at Eco Fishing Shop and major dealers across the U.S., and it earns every dollar. At 12 feet 3 inches long, 35 inches wide, 400-pound capacity, and a deck height of just 16 inches, the ATAK 120 sheds wind while giving you a rock-solid standing platform. Reviewers on paddling.com, including a Louisiana marsh angler running it with an electric motor, confirmed it hits 6.5 to 7 miles per hour under load and performs equally well in pure paddle mode across open water and tight backwater channels. The open deck runs on SlideTrax rail systems, mount anything without drilling. The FlexPod OS console handles electronics cleanly, and the AirPro Max seat adjusts fore and aft via cam lever mid-session. A genuine convenience most kayaks at this price skip entirely. A 2025 hands-on review from happinesswithout.com called the ATAK 120's wind tracking simply unreal and rated it the best fishing kayak the reviewer had ever paddled. Real weakness: 86 pounds, no skid plate, and paddle only unless you add the optional Helix MD motor drive. Best for experienced anglers across rivers, lakes, saltwater flats, and near-shore coastal zones. Skip if you're committed to pedal or motorized propulsion at this budget. Number 3. Vibe Shearwater 125. If one kayak on this list has the best argument for being a lifetime boat, one you never have to replace as your fishing game grows, it's the Vibe Shearwater 125. Kayak Angler magazine put it head-to-head against the Wilderness Systems ATAK, Bonafide SS 127, and Old Town Topwater, all at significantly higher price points, and said the Shearwater checks all the boxes for a serious fishing platform. Here's what sets this apart from every other kayak on this list. The Shearwater 125 runs on a modular propulsion system. Paddle it stock. Add the X-Drive fin pedal system for hands-free fishing in shallow water. Drop in the impulse drive for instant reverse pedal power in open water. Attach a Bixby jet motor for throttle-ready range on big lakes. All three systems plug into the same bow-mounted pod. No drilling, no extra hardware, no new kayak. Kayak Guru's December 2025 review called this modular system the standout feature that puts the Shearwater ahead of fixed-drive kayaks at the same price. Paddling Space's 2025 review confirmed 12.5 feet long, 35 inches wide, 82 pounds, 550-pound capacity, and a replaceable skid plate for beach and rocky shore launches. The summit seat is high-low adjustable and fully reclining. You get 8 gear tracks, dual power pole mounts, a watertight fish finder pod, an underseat pull-out drawer, 2 tank wells, and traction pad standing decks with a stand assist strap. AguaPulse's 2025 review confirmed a 5-year hull warranty and corrosion-resistant hardware for full saltwater use. For USA anglers who want one kayak that grows with them, weekend lake fishing today, tournament-ready coastal setup tomorrow, the Shearwater 125 is the smartest long-term buy on this list. Weakness: pedal and motor upgrades are sold separately, and a fully loaded build can add up fast. Best for anglers who want a platform that upgrades from paddle to motor without buying a new kayak. Skip if you need a fully motorized setup out of the box or have a firm budget under $1,000. Number 2. Hobie Mirage Outback. When experienced kayak anglers debate the single best pedal drive fishing kayak on the market, the Hobie Mirage Outback ends the argument. Kayak Angler magazine has recognized it as the top pedal pick in expert roundups for multiple consecutive years, and the current 2025 model with the Mirage Drive 180 Turbo with kick-up fins is active and available at Hobie dealers nationwide. The Outback is 12 feet 9 inches long, 34 inches wide, 85 pounds hull weight, 425-pound capacity. What separates the Mirage Drive 180 from every competitor is forward and reverse pedaling, something propeller drive systems still haven't cleanly matched, with kick-up fins that flatten automatically in shallow water. No stopping, no retracting, no interruption to your fishing. West Coast Sailing's current 2025 listing confirms it ships with H-Track mounting systems, a Guardian transducer shield, flush mount rod holders, and the Vantage CTW seat, a 4-point adjustable system with lumbar support that converts to a beach chair on land. An April 2026 review from Air Kayaks confirmed most anglers adapt to the Mirage Drive within a few outings, and once they do, a paddle kayak feels like a step backward. Both hands are free from launch. No arm fatigue between spots. That changes how you fish entirely. Price reality: $3,299 to $3,699 depending on color and dealer. For USA anglers fishing 2 or more times per week, this earns its cost in experience. For once-a-month anglers, stay with number 3. Best for serious, frequent anglers across varied water who want both hands free from the moment they launch. Skip if you fish occasionally, have a small vehicle, or limited storage space. Number 1. Old Town Sportsman AutoPilot 120. The Old Town Sportsman AutoPilot 120 is the most technologically capable fishing kayak available to USA buyers in 2026, and it earns the top spot for one reason no other kayak on this list can match. It holds your position over a fishing hole automatically using GPS while you do nothing but fish. A Minn Kota 45-pound thrust saltwater-ready electric motor paired with spot lock GPS locks this kayak onto a coordinate, in wind, in current, in drift, with a press of your thumb. Outdoor Life editor John B. tested it, trolling Moosehead Lake with a fly rod, and called it the ultimate option for powered kayak fishing, saying 4 minutes in the autopilot made him ready to abandon a pedals and paddles permanently. Paddling Space's 2025 review confirms a Bluetooth iPilot remote for full thumb control of speed, direction, and spot lock from anywhere on the kayak. At 12 feet long with 18-inch accessory tracks, non-slip EVA foam deck, flush mount rod holders, a custom tackle box, XL rudder with foot pedal control, and a built-in tournament fish measuring board. The AutoPilot 120 ships competition ready. Old Town covers the hull and deck with a limited lifetime warranty. One verified buyer tested it in 15 miles per hour winds with white cap conditions across an open lake, heading into swells from every angle, and reported never once feeling like the kayak was going to flip. Real weakness. 152 pounds means you'll need a truck or trailer and a cart for solo transport, and $4,000 is real money. Best for tournament anglers, high-frequency coastal and lake fishers, anyone who wants GPS position lock and total hands-free fishing from a kayak. Skip if you're new to kayak fishing, budget-constrained, or without reliable transport for a heavy rig. That's your complete 2026 breakdown. 6 fishing kayaks from a $700 entry-level paddle boat to a $4,000 GPS-locked fishing machine. No fluff, no filler, just picks that hold up against real test data and real buyer experience. Still not sure which one fits your water, budget, and fishing style? Drop it in the comments. I'll point you in the right direction. All product links are below. If this video saved you from a bad buy, hit subscribe. More gear guides coming. See you in the next one.